Amazing grace, how sweet the sound that saved a wretch like me. I once was lost, but now I'm found. Was blind, but now I see. Congratulations, Bidina. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, everyone, for your love and support. God bless you. I finally got monetized on YouTube after struggling for months while cooking my recipe now. So this video is for anyone who feels like giving up. Because through my cooking and my story, I hope to motivate small YouTubers to keep pushing and believe their time will come. Do not lose focus. Do not give up. Keep pushing. Your time will come. The reason why I'm doing this video is to motivate people and also people who judge me. And I want to say this: do not judge book by its cover. Appreciate people and encourage people. If God has blessed you and God hasn't blessed your friend, and that doesn't mean that the person is hopeless or the person has nothing to offer. It's time. Life is about time. Glory in humanity. Sometimes courage is a quiet voice at the end of everything. We must not be defeated. Try not to become a man of success, but rather to try to become a man of value of today. Be determined by your own confidence and fortitude. Now, when you are monetized, it's now you are coming to work. When you are monetized, you haven't done anything. Yeah, it's a first start, but the main start is you are coming to do the main work. That will tell that the channel has the future or not, and it involves a lot of work. This video I'm making doesn't make sense, but I just want to motivate some people. Yeah. Great things he has done, so loved he the world that he gave us his son. Oh, yield his life an atonement for sin, and open the life gate that all may go in. Praise the Lord. Praise the Lord, let the earth hear his voice. Praise the Lord, let the people rejoice. Oh, come to the Father through Jesus the Son, and give me the glory. Great things he hath done.
I really appreciate everyone, because if not everyone, I may not get the opportunity to get monetized. And you see, this life, anything that you are doing, keep doing it. Do not give up. You understand? Do not ever give up. Don't listen to what people are saying. Do not listen to what people are saying. People will always judge you. People will always say sort of things about you, but you know why? If God say yes, no one can say no. I remember last year March, and not last year March, this year March, I deleted all of my live streaming, my videos, because of bad advice. So I didn't know when you delete your videos, you lose your watch hour, because I was fresh in. If I say fresh in, I just started understanding the YouTube, but I was not deep to understand it. So I deleted those videos and I lost my watch hour and my views and my like. Since March, I have lost visibility on my channel. Honestly speaking, I have lost all of them. Yeah, I have lost. I do live streaming, I don't get views. Yeah, my videos were not getting views up till now, because I deleted my videos. When you delete your videos, it's very hard to come back to get much visibility on your channel. Unless you get a video that will take you viral, that's the system will start recommend your videos for you to get a good performer or a good views on your channel. But you see, this life, after all I have struggled to get views, subscribers too was a problem. So we are trying to support people, going all around on YouTube just to get people, genuine people, to come back to our channel. You know, when it came to a point I decided to give YouTube advices. I share advices. If I go to some place and I get tips, I come to my channel to share with people on my live streaming. People start avoiding, people were not coming again. Let's put that one aside. I didn't give up. Yeah, I did a video, I don't get views. People that I support, they don't come and support me back. We were still keeping doing it. So August, I decided to do watch hour challenge, and very sad, I do watch hour challenge, I don't get views. Sometimes I will do watch hour challenge, I'll get 2 views, but the duration will be so high. But still, I don't delete it. I don't give up. People will come to my comment section. Bidaina, why are you so desperate? You are doing live streaming, you don't get views. Are you not going to stop? Why are you even stressing yourself? You do videos, you don't get views, and you are still doing it. You don't do anything better on your channel. Bidaina, you have to stop doing YouTube because YouTube doesn't deserve you. Bidaina, your channel has nothing better to offer. Bidaina, you have to stop. People judge me. People look down upon me. I will come and cook and people will start judging me. Hey, today too you are cooking this. You have to stop. Go and buy something expensive. You know me and you know that they don't pay us. And you saying you have to go and buy expensive meat. You have to go and buy this. You have to stop. People judge me. They use my appearance to judge me. You are so local. You are so this. You have to stop YouTube. You don't bring your family on the platform. That's why I'm not getting the views. Come on. I'm not doing family vlogging. I just teach them what I can do. Affordable recipe. A recipe that will let people get some ideas. This is what I do. Sorry, I'm bringing all this, but I'm saying this to motivate a lot of people that do not give up. So, I say August, I decided to do watch hour challenge. So I challenged my channel and I challenged myself. I said no, I will do watch hour challenge. I begin doing it. When I was doing, I don't get views, but I get duration. I don't give up. I always keep on doing it. Oh, I get 2 views. Sometimes I can get 3 views. Sometimes I don't get views. So people that I love outside this platform, I'll call them Charlie, baby girl, baby boy, Charlie. Today I did what a challenge and I didn't get views. Charlie, go and view. They will go and watch. Then you see the next day you see views on it. This is what I was doing. God bless everyone that supported me. God, I will not mention name, but God bless you all. God really bless you. I really appreciate everyone's support and kindness. You did it. You and God did it. We did it. So God bless everyone. So all the challenges I was doing, people were judging me. People were dissing me. Some people say I'm desperate. I'm local. I'm nothing. Like, they judge me. I cannot offer anything on my platform. I cannot offer anything on the YouTube, but I did not give up. So don't give up. Do not give up. No matter what, don't give up. Keep doing what you are doing. Even if one pepper you are cooking, keep on cooking pepper. People who don't like, they will go. People who like, they will sit down with you and watch. Always check what YouTube studio is trending, then create. This is what I was doing. You know I love jollof rice. Hey, I love jollof rice too much. But you can see that in YouTube Studio, everyday jollof rice with chicken is, going trending every day. So since I love jollof rice and YouTube Studio is also offering jollof rice, Charlie, let me also use that to create my content. When I do jollof rice, I get views more than other recipe I do. I keep on doing it. I keep on doing it. People were judging me. We are not going to watch white jollof rice every day. But let me tell you something. When you go to YouTube Studio and something is trending there on the niche you are doing now, do the same thing. If that thing can offer you a video for you to trend, keep doing it. Don't listen to what people say. Do not listen to advices. Even if you are listening to advices, do your own research. Pay no attention on anyone. Just do you. Do whatever that pleases you. Don't follow anyone's channel. Don't go to people's channel and go and see what they are doing and come to your channel and do. No. Just create your own thing. Be special on your own way. That's why I always say, prove yourself to yourself, not people. People will judge you. People will judge you. But you should not focus on them. Do your own thing. If only water you can prepare on your channel, keep boiling your water. Keep doing it. People who love can come and watch for you. The day YouTube sent me a message, they emailed me, Bidina, you have 3,000, you can now apply for monetization. I did not apply. I did not. The second day they sent me a message to apply. I did not. I wanted to wait for 4,000 before I will apply for my monetization, because I don't want people to think that, yes, I'm desperate and I'm not fully monetized. So I decided to wait for 4,000. Even when I reached 4,000, I didn't know. The time passed and I saw a message. If you're a new YouTuber and you are still growing your watch hour, please check your emails every blessed day. When you wake up, check your YouTube Studio, check your emails, please. I did not. So when I saw it, my heart was shaking. Then I apply it. When I apply, everything was, I accepted YouTube monetization. After, I also, in the first step, I accepted YouTube monetization. The second is Google AdSense. I also created, and I was not able to verify my number. I tried different lines, different phones, so it was still not accepting. It was blocked. So I decided at this point I don't know what to do. I'm tired. So someone did for me. Someone who is YouTube, someone who is an YouTube expert who is doing that. Then I hire someone to help me. And when you hire someone, the person takes money before they will do for you. So I did this and the person did for me, and I am finally monetized. Yeah, I am monetized. So I want to tell you that do not give up, okay? Do not give up. Keep doing what you are doing. I know this video doesn't make sense, yeah, but I'm saying this to motivate some people. I'm doing this to motivate some people who always want to give up on their channel because people are judging them. People are saying all sorts of things. Please, even if tomatoes you are always cooking, cook it. Cook it. Be creative on your own style. Don't go to people's channel and go and watch what they are doing. Then you too, you come and do it. Just do yourself. The name is Bidina Walker Doings. Bidina Walker Vibes on YouTube. Now we there yet. No shaking, no rushing, no desperation. Now God do Now God do Everyone do Everyone supported me. Everyone supported me. And I'm really appreciate to everyone. Shout out to my big boss, Princess Yama. God bless you. God really bless you. He helped me, and God bless everyone. I am monetized. So now I'm waiting for my 10 threshold to be done so that everything can be fully set up on my channel. So thank you everyone. Now God do you and me, we do Thank you so much. Thank you, everyone. Thank you so much. Come, let's enjoy the doings here. Let's enjoy the doings. God bless you all. And I love everyone. Second part will come. If you have decided to give up on YouTube, please do not give up. YouTube pays. When you are able to do your work well, you are going to succeed. If you avoid negative vibes on YouTube, you are going to succeed. If you don't follow bad advices, you are going to succeed. Do not join any negative groups that will bring your channel down. Be positive on your channel. Listen to yourself, listen to your audience. Whatever your audience wants, give it to them. Do more research. Don't listen to one advice. There are some advices that can bring your channel down. Yeah, follow yourself. Be careful on people you choose to be with them on this platform. This platform, a lot of negative vibes are here, but do not follow the negative vibes. Remember, you think you know how to do something, someone knows how to do better than you. So always be yourself. Be you. Do not prove anything. Prove yourself to yourself. Don't prove anything to anyone. You are own self. You are using your own data, not someone's data. So do things your audience wants. Do things your viewers, your subscribers love. Go to your YouTube studio. What is trending there related to your niche? Do it. Positive vibes all the way. People will judge you. Don't focus there. Yeah. What you are doing, not everyone will like. But you have to focus. Do not give up. Do not delete your videos. If you don't want your videos, put them unlisted. Put them on private so that you will not lose your visibility. You will not lose your watch hour. You will not lose your views and like. I love you.